Guess who just got here? And she's just buzzing around the yard. Whoops, a moment of privacy. Hey, Sissy, your little pal Olive is back. Miss Olive is here. It's been raining this morning still. Oh, another little potty break. That's good. Everybody do some potties. Got a little blind girl. Oh, here comes Teddy Bear. Teddy, Teddy, Teddy. Miss Olive is doing just great. Yeah, how you doing, Olive? Oh, we better pick up some landmines. I see they got a couple of them on the mat. We'll do that now. We're having a Red Kid Club membership drive today. I have 1, 2. Teddy, come out. He's a red kid too. And there's Sissy. And Sporty's a red kid. And Oscar's a red kid. And Addison's a red kid. We got the Red Kid Club going. It's raining, so we're inside right now. And you can see that the maniacs are having a wonderful time. That's Sissy that Ollie was playing with. Franklin's trying to get involved. These two are going to sleep like logs tonight. So you can see Olive's having a horrible time. We're having to force her to have a good time. She's a complete nut. She's a lot of fun. That's her crate where I've got her stuff over there. And you can see she's got her sweatpants pulled out already. Comes a couple of the red girls. It's later in the day. It's still real dark in the sky, but the sun's out for right now, so we're out buzzing around. I gotta go work the wood pile. And this little kid's having a very good time. Oh, look! A little Sporty sighting. And a little blind girl sighting. They're wearing matching camp sweaters. Yay! Hey, Olive Hot Rod, come here, little kid. She's having such a good time. Here she comes, buzzing around. Oh, Mitzi, what are you doing, honey? How are you? She's been relaxing this afternoon. Yes, she has.